Welcome to LawSnoop, where we break down legal myths and uncover the truth behind complex cases. Today's topic is Beyond the Driver, who's really liable in semi-truck accidents. Before we begin, please remember this video is for educational purposes only. It does not provide legal advice, and for guidance on your specific situation, you should consult a licensed attorney. When most people think about semi-truck accidents, they assume the driver is the only one responsible. But liability often extends far beyond the person behind the wheel. Trucking companies may be held accountable if they pressure drivers to ignore safety rules or fail to maintain their fleet. Maintenance crews can share responsibility if critical repairs were skipped or performed incorrectly. Even manufacturers may be liable if a defective part contributed to the crash. Another overlooked factor is the role of contractors and cargo loaders. If a trailer was overloaded or improperly secured, liability can shift to those who prepared the shipment. Each of these parties can play a role in shaping the outcome of a case. The truth is, semi-truck accident liability is complex. It requires careful investigation, detailed evidence, and sometimes multiple defendants to ensure victims and families receive fair compensation. Thanks for watching LawSnoop, where we bust legal myths and bring clarity to complex issues. Be sure to join us for more episodes as we continue uncovering the truths behind the law. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Every case is unique, so always seek advice from a licensed attorney about your specific situation.